Modular aluminum perimeter shade pockets are evolving with how they are purchased and installed. Stick around because you'll want to know how this evolution reduces your initial material costs while speeding up your installations on core and shell projects, then ultimately the tenant finish build-outs. Now, on past core and shell projects, you likely installed a typical balanced three-sided 5x5x5 pocket, and the future tenant was left with only one pocket choice to tie their ceilings into. What if the tenant wanted a deeper pocket rather than a 5-inch pocket that you already installed? What if they wanted to tie in a drywall ceiling, but you installed a pocket with an acoustical flange? What if instead of a ceiling, the tenant wanted to tie in a diffuser that seamlessly integrated and ran parallel to your previously installed pocket? With the integration of accessory pieces that tie into a 2.5-sided base, the final tenant can choose multiple pocket configurations to accommodate all types of ceilings in their space. This is a 2.5-sided core and shell pocket base. If you install this along the perimeters of a core and shell project, all design possibilities are available to a future tenant, including shades that fit from any shade manufacturer. For instance, if all the tenant wants is a simple 5x5x5 pocket, that's easy. Simply install the fixed acoustical or drywall or seismic flange trim piece to balance out a finished 5x5x5 pocket. Now, what if the tenant wants their ceiling to come in lower than the traditional 5x5x5 pocket? You have two options. First, you can order an adjustable trim piece that can be positioned 1 to 4 inches below the base of the pocket. This piece has an acoustical, drywall, or seismic flange and adjusts in 1-inch increments so you can dial in the ceiling height you need up to 4 inches below. If you need an even larger elevation change, we offer non-adjustable 4, 6, and 8-inch drops that connect to your fixed extension clip trim pieces. For example, with this solution, you start with a 2.5-inch sided base pocket, then add the fixed extension clip trim piece. Last, you add your 4, 6, or 8-inch extension plates for the deepest ceiling elevation changes. But wait, there's one more design option with core and shell pockets. If you need to tie in a parallel diffuser along your 5x5x5 pocket, simply install your 2.5-sided base. Next, you simply install a 4 or 7-inch width diffuser faceplate by hooking it to the base pocket hooks. These diffuser faceplates come in pre-cut single slot or 2-slot patterns for easy integration with various diffuser boots. We also offer unslotted diffuser faceplates so you can cut your own. Now, doesn't that simplify perimeter pocket construction? One simple 2.5-sided pocket base integrates with so many flush or elevation drop or diffuser options. A future building tenant is not locked in to what was originally installed by the core and shell contractor. If you'd like to learn more about AXIOM Core and Shell pockets, simply visit armstrongceilings.com/Axiom and scroll down to Core and Shell.